This year, F1 introduces its new push-away quick release. So for all those willing to replace their old safety system with a new one, we're going to show you how to do. So the first step is to take away the old system. First, take off the fifth line. Slide the ring into the loop, like so, and take away the line. Next step is to take away the D-power line. Pull on the black strap, take off the little pin, take the whole thing off. Because the new system is slightly longer than the older one, it's provided with two extensions to fit on the lines. The first one you need to fit at the top of the fifth line. So you need to take it off completely, like this, including the little yellow ball. Fit the extension onto the swivel and fit the fifth line onto the extension. And don't forget to put the fifth line through the ring at the top of the D-power tray. So now we've extended the fifth line, we can slide it back into the main hole of the kite bar. Take off the old stem and plug the new one. We're going to fit the fifth line into the smaller side of the hole, like so, and then connect it to the ring. Slide the fifth line into the ring and then slide the loop around it like this. In 2014, F1 has come up with a new larger lifeline ring which is easier to clip your leash on. So if you don't have the 2014 red and white kite bar, here is how to fit it on. You need to take off the former ring by sliding the loop around it and take away the line. Then you need to make a larger loop from the existing one, as I'm doing now. And then pass the line into the ring and slide the loop around it. Next step, you can fit the D-power line into the new release. It can be a bit tight, but no major struggle. And fit the second extension into the loop, like this. Pull the D-power line back into the release a little bit and slide the pin into the extension, like so. Pull hard on the D-power to put the pin back in place. Your new release is now set up. You can check your lines and go kiting.